Hello and welcome everyone. This is Sunil. So in this video, I am going to explain you a specific issue or error which arise on any mesh when we are trying to convert a high poly mesh which has glass material to nanite in 5.7. I have seen this issue in 5.5 also, but it was a little bit less, and in 5.7 it is little bit more aggressive. Like it happens every time we do that. So if the model is having high detailed poly, and if we apply a glass material on it and enable nanite on it, then it gets pixelated or becomes low poly. Or I will show you what I mean. So if I am here and this is a car where I don't have a glass material applied on this. So if I go to my master material and I have created a material instance, and if I go ahead and apply this glass material, and then if I go ahead and search this by pressing Ctrl B, I will search this and then right click and enable nanite on this mesh. The moment I enable nanite on this mesh is ruined. So there are several ways of fixing this. So first option is, if you go ahead and just enable, if you are working in a scene where you only need to render a cinematic video of your scene, then just to go ahead and disable nanite, and you don't need to experience it in real time. So problem solved very easily. All you have to do is just disable nanite and done. And if this is to be rendered as cinematic video, no problem at all. But what if you are trying to use this project as an interactive scene and you want to explore it in real time and then change things and all those features that Unreal Engine provides? So in that scenario, you cannot switch off nanite, and you should not switch off nanite. You should be taking advantage of nanite. So here, like, I will suggest few possible solutions which you can pay attention and then work on. So first solution will be detach the glass part of the mesh. So after detaching that glass part will be very less number of triangle, and then the object or all the other object will be remaining, and you enable nanite on them and then disable nanite on the glass parts. So I will try to explain few possible solution of that. Is if you are limited to rendering cinematic video, go ahead and disable nanite, and that's okay. But if you are going to experience it in real time, in that case you need to optimize the high poly meshes as much as possible to experience it in real time. So for that, disable nanite, reduce the number of triangle as much as possible, then create LODs and then convert it to HISM. So reduce triangle, create LODs, then convert to HISM. That is the way to get performance on a real-time experience if you are going to experience this in real time. But that is a very long process and time-consuming process, so which I will not suggest at like in 2026. In 2026, you should be using all the latest technology which saves you time. So in that case, the easiest solution will be you go ahead and enable nanite, so that problem will start appearing, and then press Ctrl E to open the static mesh editor. Then go to nanite, and in nanite there is max edge length factor. So go ahead and make it 0.1 and then go ahead and click apply, and that problem will be solved instantly, still keeping this object as nanite. So you will be getting nanite advantages. This is the easiest fix. Go ahead and open the mesh which you are encountering the issue because of the glass material on it, and enabling nanite on high poly meshes is going to ruin your mesh. So you open the mesh which you are facing the same problem, and then go ahead and then change the max edge length factor to 0.1 and then click apply, and that problem will be solved. So I hope this video helps you, and I will see you in the next video.